Alright, magandang araw mga ka-PTech. Welcome po sa ating video that would recognize po lahat po ng ating mga top passers and full list of qualifiers coming from the PTech Training Center. Ito po yung results ng ating NASH 2025 Batch 1. And ito po ang naging performance ng inyong PTech Training Center. Nakasali po natin all throughout their preparation. So tingnan po natin, unang-una gusto nating magbigay ng pugay sa lahat ng ating mga performers, ating mga top passers, and those who were able to qualify for the different categories. No? So again, para po doon sa mga nakareceive na ng ating mga certificate of rating, comment down below kung kayo po ay parte ng ating journey, kung kayo po ay nakapag-subscribe at kung po kayo ay natulungan kahit paano ng ating PTech YouTube channel, ay comment down below para ma-recognize po namin kayo at malaman namin kung saan po kayo mga regions nang galing. Right? So, umpisa natin yung ating mga recognition para sa ating top passers. So, once again, ito po ang PTech Training Center at sila po yung ating mga top passers. Congratulations to Sir Jonathan J. Salazar, Head Teacher 3 of Bulosan Elementary School from SDO Dagupan City, Region 1, one of the top passers. Actually, top passer po si Sir Jonathan ng Region 1. Pangalawa po, Ma'am Jeneline O. Bonzo, Head Teacher 2 of Maisua Elementary School, dito po sa SDO Albay, Region 5. Congratulations po. Don King B. Camagay, Head Teacher 3 of Lobong National High School, SDO Pangasinan 2, Region 1. Congratulations, sir. Ma'am Rebecca B. Kisoben, Head Teacher 3 of Galdang Elementary School of SDO Kalinga, Cordillera Administrative Region. Congratulations po, ma'am. And of course, kay Sir Carlo B. Dehan or Dehan, Head Teacher 3 of Lusacan Elementary School, SDO Quezon Region 4A. So, yan po ang mga listahan ng ating mga top passers who were provided kahit paano po with assistance coming from the PTech Training Center. Congratulations po. And here are the complete list po ng ating mga passers. We have Grace Mercado Nilo of Pangasinan 1, Michael B. Mangdikmot of Zambales, Joanna Marie C. Armas of Pangasinan 1, Marjorie A. Padre of Ilocos Sur, Benedict Villarino of Malabon City, Norin T. Espinosilia of Benguet, Mark Louis Martinez of Camarines Norte, Janelle R. Bulahan of Cotabato, together with Elisa Quidores of Cotabato, Ma'am Jenny C. Nueva of Masbate, Ma'am Ranilyn Pinulyar of SDO 1 Pangasinan 1, Melinda C. Escocio of Dagupan City, Adelfo F. Malanum of Dagupan City, and Ronnie C. Calosa of Samar. Dean Daryl Cañete of Dagupan City, Jonathan D. Amigo of La Union, Reynaldo Cabusi of Dagupan City, Alex Ordanza of La Union, Jane G. Ramirez of Dagupan City, Carmela S. Sumagka of Ilocos Sur, Hajison Brian B. Rolyoda of La Union. We also have Mary Rose T. Villarin of Iholngan City, Asper Vizcaya of Camarines Sur, Patrick Henry R. Palten of La Union, Maricel S. Tigo of Coronadal City, Jeresa U. Bunhuran of Masbate. We also have Archie A. Rosiana of Zamboanga del Norte and Brinda B. Amado of Benguet. Kasama din po dyan si Ma'am Gemaline M. Lista of Ifugao, Mark Anthony M. Daramayo of Masbate, Josel T. Tuliao of Cavite, and Merlinda P. Mariado of Dagupan City. Sila po yung kompletong listahan. Overall, we have a total of 35 passers from PTech. Ganyan po kadami yung mga naputus po natin. And we have 5 top passers for batch 1. Okay, so again po, maraming salamat for trusting PTech and congratulations po sa inyong lahat na nakapasa. And of course, those who would like po to uh, uh, contact us for some possible assistance, i-message nyo lang po kami via our PTech YouTube channel as well as the PTech Training Center Facebook page. No? Congratulations as well to all our PTech YouTube subscribers who passed the NASH 2025 Batch 1. Kaya po, kung subscriber ka ng ating PTech YouTube channel ay comment down below, no? Para ma-recognize po namin kayo. Sabihin nyo lang po yung full name ninyo and saan pong division kayo ng galing. Ayan. Congratulations po. And again, we are the PTech Training Center. Kami po ay located dito sa Bunuan Gazette, Dagupan City. And kami po ay nagbibigay ng mga training programs para po sa mga aspiring na mga school heads. And we also would like to invite you to always follow the different videos po na nandito sa PTech YouTube channel. Muli po, maraming salamat for trusting PTech and mabuhay po tayong lahat, mabuhay ang DepEd at sa lahat po ng mga passers natin, saludo po ang PTech team sa inyong lahat, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat.